It was so funny.
Here's some honey for you.
Yay, honey!
Careful, it's sweet.
Yummy. Let's make dough.
All right, Masha.
Yay, mixing.
Careful now.
It smells so good already.
Just a little more flour.